Hello, my name is Giselle and welcome to Music Foundation Level 2. Today I will be reviewing on augmented chords. So we learned our major chords, our minor chords, our diminished chords, and now our augmented. So augmented, let's go back to our major thinking, C, E, and G. We're going to think of our fifth note. Now instead of flats, we're going to think of sharps. It's going to move a half step to the right. So from C major, our pinky moves up a half step to the right. C, E, G sharp. Next, D major, D, F sharp, A. Our pinky is going to move a half step up to A sharp, D, F sharp, A sharp. E chord, this is our major chord, E, G sharp, B. Our pinky is going to move up a half step to C, A, G sharp, C. This is our F chord, F, A, C. Our pinky is going to move up a half step from F, A, C to C sharp. G chord, G, B, D. Our pinky is going to move up a half step, G, B, D sharp. A chord, A major chord, A, C sharp, E. Our pinky is going to move up a half step to A, C sharp, F. And our last chord, B major chord, B, D sharp, F sharp. Our pinky is going to move up a half step to that G, B, D sharp, and G. This is what it sounds like when you play all augmented chords, C augmented. That would be all. I hope you subscribe and have a wonderful day.